Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step on how to replace your compatible battery. First, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic pry tool. Make sure to have a clean workspace and a soft cloth to protect your device. Begin by powering off your device completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical shorts during the battery replacement process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your device. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently separate the back panel from the device. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the back panel off, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside using a soft, dry cloth. This will ensure optimal performance once your new battery is installed. Now, locate the battery connector. It's typically secured with another set of screws. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. If you feel uncertain about this step, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery connector using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure as this can damage the connector. If you're not comfortable doing this, keep in mind that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for battery replacements, making it easy and convenient. Next, carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. If the battery is stuck, you can use the plastic pry tool to gently lift it out. Ensure that you dispose of the old battery properly, following local regulations. Now, take your new compatible battery and place it into the compartment. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the battery connector by pressing it back into its socket. Make sure it is secure to avoid any issues when powering on your device. After the battery is connected, it's time to reattach the back panel. Carefully align it and press down until you hear a click, ensuring all clips are secure. Then, replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, making sure they are tightened, but not overly so, to avoid stripping the screws. Before you finish, if you prefer to have everything done professionally, remember that we quote before repair and offer no calls, no travel, making it hassle-free for you. Finally, power on your device to test the new battery. If everything works correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help or consider our services to ensure your device is in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.